In this video, I'll show you how to message hosts on Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can message the host of your listing on Airbnb. So first and foremost, select a listing from this available stays and experiences. So go ahead and select the specific listing that you want to avail. So you can go ahead and browse and explore this section. You can go ahead and click on that specific listing that you want to avail. In this section, you'll be able to find more details about this listing, such as the amenities and further more info about this listing. So go ahead and select your booking dates. Go ahead and set up the amount of individuals that will come with you. So after this, you can go ahead and hit on that reserve button to reserve this. That will redirect you into this section. So once you scroll down in the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find this message the host under required for your trip. So go ahead and click on that add button beside the message the host and enter the message that you have for the host into the section and hit on that save button once you have actually created your message. And that is how you can basically message hosts on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.